Actually, there are two roads to come to this beach. One is from the road and this forest you are seeing at this side, and one is by, and the second way is you can come here by boat. So good morning guys, welcome back to my channel Time Bound Traveler. Day 3 in Goa. Day 3 in Goa, and right now we are at Palolem beach and we are heading to Butterfly beach. बोल की रोहिणी आहे.
तू आता सगळं सांगितलं चालू आहे तिकडे आता मी काय सांगू
तरी पण तू आपण
काय विचारलंस काय तुला काय पाहिजे
let tell them all where are we going.
वी आर गोइंग
And because you have been to Butterfly beach before also,
या
so you want to tell something about Butterfly beach.
इट्स अ ब्युटिफुल प्लेस
हाँ,
वी हैव टू ट्रेक फॉर at least 2 kilometers.
means the road goes from
Yeah,
jungle.
it's off-roading. You have to park a bike.
Okay. Okay, so let's see what happens. Bye. So we decided to visit beautiful Butterfly beach on our last day of Goa to have some forest trek and off-roading. Butterfly beach is around 7.4 kilometers from renowned Palolem beach and one of the hidden beaches in South Goa. After a few kilometers of ride, we reached Leopard Valley, and a turn from there took us to a muddy trail road that ran through the dense forest. As we were going further, the jungle was getting deeper and dense, and our phones had already lost networks. So right now we have reached the parking area of what?
It's not parking area, Prakash.
It's not parking area actually,
We can take our
but
bikes.
till here only we can take our bikes. From now we have to walk to Butterfly beach. तुझं काय म्हणणं आहे, इथनं आपण चालत जाऊया का गाडीने जाऊया?
इथं घोडा मिळतोय घोडा मागच्याला आम्ही 2 वर्षापूर्वी आलो इथं घोडा होता
हां.
तिथं मालक नव्हता तर घोडा होता त्या घोड्यावरून गेलो आता घोडा काही दिसत नाही
So what we should do, Shubham?
तुला घोडा लावायला
I
पाहिजे
have to go with bikes. Wherever we can go, we can.
So you don't want to walk?
Yeah, I want to walk on the beach, not on this.
And black and white how are you?
And two models are here.
Is it a model?
Oh no!
अरे गाडी लावू नका गाडी वरती घेऊन जायची नाही लांब आहे 2 किलोमीटर आहे तो म्हटला गाडी जाते
Adi, what you want to say?
त्याला माहित नसतं
Where we need to go?
काय टाईप
Actually, we need to go walking from here for around 1 kilometer from here. Means actually it's trek. As you can see at my back, it's totally forest area right now. And Rohan is going to guide us because he has been here before us.
इथनं काय जास्त काय लांब नाही आहे
हां,
पोरं आपली आता फॉर्मात आहेत
फॉर्मात आहेत. हां. आणि
मग आपण पोहोचतोय 5 मिनिटात
5 मिनिटात 5 मिनिटात पोचते
5 मिनिटात पोहोचतोय
त्याचं म्हणणं आहे. बाय बाय. However, it is easier to reach the beach by a boat ride from the nearby beaches as the land journey involves a challenging forest hike. boys are back again with their bikes.
मी आणि मीरा आणि फॉरेनरचे ब्रिझर पिले.
इथे लाव. We are about to reach the butterfly beach. I think you can hear the sound of the water from here. A hidden land of adventure prepared with some stunning views and aquatic life. That's Butterfly Beach for you. Best time to visit Butterfly Beach is between November and March. So I climbed up the nearby rocks to get the pleasant view from top of this exotic beautiful Butterfly Beach. Actually there are two roads to come to this beach. One is from the road and this forest you are seeing at this side, and one is by, and the second way is you can come here by boat. So this was all about Goa travel series. See you at the next destination. Thank you. Bye bye.